If you don't like leaving your cat alone but still have to work, then this story is for you. Meet Kitty, the cat who loves a day of freedom. As soon as her owner leaves, Kitty's adventure begins. She leaps onto the kitchen counter, knocks over a vase. Oops! Then she chases a sunbeam across the living room. But soon she starts to miss her owner. Pause, softening tone. So Kitty decides to go on a quest to find them. Outside, she faces many obstacles: a barking dog, a busy street, and even a sneaky squirrel. Each setback makes her more determined. Finally, after what feels like ages, Kitty sees her owner coming home. Pause, warmly. Her heart leaps with joy. She sprints back inside, just in time for a warm hug. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones that bring you back to where you belong. So, what does your kitty do when you're not home? Pause, playfully. Maybe it's time for a hidden camera,